Looking for a dash cam that captures crystal clear footage without draining your wallet? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best budget dash cams of 2025, featuring 4K clarity, GPS tracking, and smart features at prices you'll love. If you love tech gadgets, honest product reviews, and smart buying guides, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. I've got more budget-friendly picks coming your way every week. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam. Starting off strong, the REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam captures stunning detail with UHD 4K front and 1080p rear recording. It includes built-in Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and a 24-hour parking mode to monitor your car when you're away. Product reviews. Users praise its sharp video quality, simple setup, and accurate GPS speed tracking. Many reviewers also highlight how well it handles low-light driving conditions. Pros: 4K front plus 1080p rear recording. Wi-Fi and GPS built-in. 24-hour parking surveillance. Easy mobile app for viewing footage. If you want premium features without a premium price, the REDTIGER Dash Cam is one of the best value for money options this year. Number 2. AZDOME M550 Pro. The AZDOME M550 Pro delivers 4K front recording with support for a rear camera, powered by 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for ultra-fast video transfers. It also includes GPS logging, parking monitor, and advanced night vision for clearer nighttime footage. Product reviews. Drivers love its easy installation, crisp 4K resolution, and reliable Wi-Fi app connection. It's frequently praised for holding up well in both hot and cold weather. Pros: 4K Ultra HD video plus optional rear camera. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for smooth downloads. Built-in GPS tracking. Excellent low-light performance. The AZDOME M550 Pro combines speed, clarity, and durability, perfect for drivers who want a long-lasting dash cam under budget. Number 3. DDPAI Z60 Pro. The DDPAI Z60 Pro brings professional-level tech to budget buyers. It's powered by a Sony STARVIS2IMX678 sensor, supports front and rear 4K recording, and offers ADAS driver alerts, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and built-in GPS. Product reviews. Users highlight its superb 4K sharpness, reliable app performance, and accurate driving data. The ADAS features add a safety edge that's rare in this price range. Pros: 4K dual lens recording with Sony STARVIS2. GPS plus ADAS driver assistance. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Compact and modern design. If you want flagship-level performance at a mid-range price, the DDPAI Z60 Pro is a smart buy in 2025. Number 4. UHD 4K Wi-Fi dual lens. This UHD 4K dual lens dash cam records both front and rear angles with excellent clarity. It supports 24-hour parking monitoring, Wi-Fi, and GPS tracking, giving you complete coverage and peace of mind. Product reviews. Drivers love its reliable parking mode and clear image quality, especially in changing light. It's known for being simple to use and solidly built. Pros: 4K front plus 1080p rear recording. GPS plus Wi-Fi connectivity. 24H parking mode. Budget-friendly and dependable. For those who want a straightforward, high-quality dual dash cam setup, this UHD 4K model is an affordable and effective choice. Number 5. 11.26-inch dash cam. This 11.26-inch 4K dash cam doubles as a smart mirror display and navigation system. It supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, GPS navigation, dual lens recording, and FMO audio output, turning your dash into a connected command center. Product reviews. Users love its large touchscreen interface, responsive controls, and versatility. It's perfect for drivers who want both functionality and style in one gadget. Pros: 4K dual camera recording. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. GPS navigation plus FMO output. Sleek, ultra-wide touchscreen display. If you're after an all-in-one dash cam and smart mirror combo, this 11.26-inch 4K dash cam is a futuristic upgrade for any car. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that's it for our list of the top 5 best budget dash cams of 2025. Whether you want 4K clarity, wireless convenience, or all-day protection, there's something here for every driver and every budget. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which dash cam you're thinking of picking up. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.